welcome to the podcast of Dyako Educational Compound. I'm Cheyenne, and I have my friend Rose with me, and we're talking about a relationship between a student and a teacher. How good it could be.
I think respect is really important between them. Learning becomes easier that way.
What do you think that makes a good relationship between a student and a teacher?
That's right, a good teacher should never make their students feel bad for trying.
I agree that teachers should be patient and understanding to some students and makes learning faster and easier for the other students.
Exactly, students have responsibility too, and teachers should help them when they ask a question.
Students should pay attention and try their best. If they don't pay attention, not even the best teachers can help them.
A teacher should be someone's trust, not someone they're scared of, because if they struggle in class, they can help them.
And communication is very important, and the student should feel comfortable talking to the teacher about it.
Definitely, when a teacher and a student understand each other, school and learning becomes easier.
A strong teacher makes learning more enjoyable to the student and the rest of the class.
Do you think a teacher and a student can be friends?
They can be friendly, but not that friendly like classmates are.
Why not? If they get along well, why can't they be friends?
A teacher is like a mentor and a leader, and it would be hard for the teacher to give out discipline to the rest of the student or the classmate if the teacher and the classmate will be very close with each other.
That makes sense. What if a teacher is really nice and supportive?
A teacher should be kind and approachable, but there should be a professional bond between them.
So it is okay for a teacher to be friendly, but not just like best friends?
Exactly. A teacher should be caring and kind to the student, but also remaining the role of a teacher. Thank you for being here with us. This was an enjoyable conversation. You viewers, thank you for watching this podcast.